Hello guys, welcome to GetBartender.com kitchen, and today we are making a twist on a porn star martini, one you can drink for New Year's Eve. Boom. Yeah, so in our cocktail we have lime, passion fruit juice, champagne or prosecco, whatever you prefer. Then we're gonna use our cocktail shaker in order to make it, and we need some ice. First, we're gonna start off by chilling our glass. Boom. Then we find our cocktail shaker. We're gonna use our Mexican elbow and we're gonna squeeze half a lime. Then we're gonna take our passion fruit juice. I'm gonna use 4 centiliters of passion fruit juice. Then we're gonna fill our shaker with lots of ice. And we're gonna fill the shaker up because we don't want to dilute the cocktail, we just want to chill it down. Oh yeah, and then I'm gonna open my champagne. Let's pop this bitch. Woo! Then we're gonna strain. And we're gonna top it up. And at last, we're gonna garnish with some passion fruit. Cheers! GetBartender.com porn star martini twist. Woo! This new year, you're gonna drink this one. Boom!